Bruno, ¿qué pasó?
What's up? What you want? Huh? What? You want me to go over there? Huh? You want me to go? Okay, let me go. Okay. Okay.
Well, how you want to do this? We gonna keep... Don't cut me off. You always trying to get the last word. I noticed that about you. Yes, you do. You're doing it now. Okay, you think because you do it longer, that's gonna make me be quiet?
No. 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 No.
Why are you yelling at me? You just ate. Oh my gosh. Millicent.
Why do you sound so sad? Are you sad? You don't like me playing videos? It's too loud while you're sleeping.
Okay, Freddie, I have something to tell you. So, I've never told you my name, and my name is Shiva. Did you know that? Wow.
No, boo.
Well, as you see, even a cat knows that taking shower at night isn't good for your health.
Hello? Hello? Oh, hi. Hi, baby. Hello? Hello?
Princess, what's up? No, tell me more. She did not. I can't believe that.
That voice? Oh, that's his "Where's my fun" tone. It never fails.
You got quiet as hell. Moose, get off this bed. I gotta put it away. Move. Move. Move your bitch ass out the bed.
Who's that? Hello? What? What? What the? Did you just?
Dude, he's telling him off.
That's so crazy. Can you see better?
Are you being sassy to your mother? Excuse me, you do not talk to me that way.
Rocco, go lay down.
No.
It's not real.
Don't go screaming. If you can see it, it's real.
I say, Wilson, no. Don't chase that other dog. You don't chase him. If I say, give me paw and you're going to be the best boy.
I got your pizza toy. What do you like on your pizza? Lettuce?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Right at the beginning, Kitty has realized the fake pizza. He goes along just to make her fun.
No, because you smell enough like fish. Okay. Pepperoni? No. Cheese? Yes. Okay.
Ow! Ow! I don't even touch you.
What?
Izzy, are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Cleo, can I have a kiss? No. Please, can I just have one little kiss? No.
Tito,
When it comes to food-related matters, cats can be quite discerning critics.
No.
Mouth. One. No, Zuko, it's okay. She's just in the shower. I know, she's just in the shower. She's okay.
Sometimes.
Do you love me? How much? Yeah, I thought so. I love you as well. Okay. Do you want a hug? Yeah, are you sure? Okay. Good.
Bill?
Lean back.
It's got
You're not okay? No. Did I hurt you?
We all have days like this.
I'm sorry.
If you think your cats are Kevin in Home Alone, surprise! They just miss you.
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
Mia, stop screaming. No, it's inappropriate. It's inappropriate at this point. It's just been 30 minutes of yapping for no reason. You've been fed, you've gotten pets, you've gotten kisses.
Shut up. You talk too much. Yeah, you do.
Told to shut up, but argued back no peasant, and then I'm just a baby.
What's the matter, George? What's the matter? You wanna go to bed? Yeah, you wanna go to bed now?
Unterschiedlich schwer sind, das sind die Beispiele für Eleni. What's up, man?
Hello.
Every polite cat knows that saying hello when meeting someone is a must.
Gesichert? Really? Vor allen Dingen auf unsere beiden Sub-Koordinatoren.
Are you okay? Yeah? What are you doing? Oh.
I have to get up. I do. Yeah, and you got me up all night. You did. Doing this. Trying to get into my skin. Because I wouldn't let you sleep like this.
Wait, I was literally eating. Where did my food just disappear to? Never try arguing with huskies. You just lose louder. The face of a pup who already sent a complaint to HR.
No bite. Sit. 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 We don't bite. I don't care.
Okay.
Hi. Hey, Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty. Oh, you're the prettiest girl.
I'm trying to give you more. You don't want more? No?
Jackson, where are you? Where is my wallet? What did you do with it? Where is it? You don't know?
Why are you so mad? I'm sorry. I don't know what I did to make you so mad.
What? What? What?
He's not lost. He's just dramatically locating you.
Serafino! Say mama. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're saying mama.
Are you gonna be a good boy?
Oh my god.
I love you.
When you have a good child, everything in life becomes much easier.
Okay.
Say I love you.
I love you.
He loves you so much.
When are you going to help me out with the chores? I've got to do laundry. Look at this. Look at this. And then I have to cook. And then I have to clean. And I have to go to work tomorrow. And all you do is sleep all day long.
I love you. She said it. You said I love you.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Go. Stop.
Someone is not a big fan of pointing. Don't make him mad.
Place.
No. 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 What?